This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Diane Topoleski. Welcome home, fantastic corner lot in desirable Tuscaloosa. 3-bedroom 2-bath great room design or floor plan. One owner for the history of this home lovingly maintained for many years. New roof in 2020. Air conditioner inspected in 2021 and replaced thermostat. Come and make this home your own. Highly sought after public schools, great location, close to shopping, walking distance to some restaurants. Seminole Trail can be accessed from neighborhood. Access to Tuscaloosa Country Club for an additional membership fee. For more information, review the details below or contact Diane Topoleski at 407-588-1800.